Hey everyone, if you have been interested in using the Hitfilm Express app recently and wondering on how to download it on your laptop, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Hitfilm Express on your laptop or your PC. So let's dive right in. First of all, open your web browser that you use, just like this. Then tap onto the search bar and type Hitfilm Express just like this and open it. Then here you can find the Hitfilm Express at the second one just right here. Now tap on it. After that, here you can find the free download option just right here. Now tap on it. Then after doing that, here you can find the continue option. Now select it. Now, here you can find download for free just right here. Now tap on it. Then tap on to Windows just right here. Now wait for a few seconds. Now here you can find the file has been downloaded. Now simply open it and install it on your laptop or your PC. And that's it. This is how you can download the Hitfilm Express on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.